approaching is to West Quanslip. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Very slow.
The doors are weird. They got
The next station is South Greenford. This is a Great Western Railway service to West Ealing.
Oh, the driver training they were using
And we have to make our way back again. And there's loads of things that need electricity. Well, that wouldn't affect that anyway.
the ground is
You don't have doggy in shot, do you, Jeff?
Wait, I'm just curious, how did you get here? Like, did you book a hotel in West Ealing or something?
I'm loitering in the area.
Wait, you wandered around the area all night?
Do you know if
I've been down for 10 days.
Yeah.
Ah, fair enough.
Trouble is, they
Got
put
a
a
fire or
fence up.
something?
Yeah, got to make
Block the view from it. They turned them around so they used.
Is that why?
Then they took out the fence and an anti-trust.
Yeah, I've just pulled it all
And
night.
now,
Went to Heathrow, got surprisingly
they put their background in.
nice.
It's probably
Just Cafe Nero.
you try to find something that's going to work. And you'll stop the one driver. We have the next driver is one up that short trip, sits back, is forward, leans out. Well, I did give up, so I took away stop marks from the towers. Like, drivers don't stop where they.
It's a shame it isn't as easy for this train as it is for Canada. And the battery out.
Not too technical, actually just straight on
We are now approaching South Greenford. Please mind the step down and turn to the platform.
Go ahead, shots on the Greenford service diagram gets on a Saturday, but there'll be everything.
Yeah, and probably it will be. Unless somehow you manage to pull off getting like a heritage interesting. Then it will be managed.
GWR auto.
Is that GSM outfit?
Managed to sneak into school once and I had someone who was a particle accelerator. I feel very good about myself for that.
Not an everyday thing you carry around a GSM
Someone
out.
called that a particle accelerator.
Yes.
Are you serious? I think we should force them to work for the low Thames crossing for free. Like.
Do you think I should get the GSM out?
No worries.
I mean, more than two.
Says, don't you?
Oh, for Wendy House.
Yeah. Oh, I knew that was what would carry out. Maybe a down there. So, Castle Bar is the least used to it? That's the joke. Normally I didn't find that least. Most used on front. Most used on front. Or skin. You know what you're dealing with it. Oh, okay. Well,
Greenford's a bit
Greenford would be hard to get
obscure,
fingers.
I made out of Drayton, out of Castle Bar and Drayton.
We need to change coming here a lot for that. It's so quiet. The officers just walking around there.
No, I think it's your
platforms.
Are these doors going to? Do these doors open up South Greenford?
All the doors
Wait,
are
we haven't tried anywhere else yet.
except the one.
What did work there?
Yeah, but the
Key
key
was
was
nice.
yeah.
That's different, but this is as if it's coming off.
This is South Greenford. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to West Ealing. The next station is Castle Bar Park. The next station is Castle Bar Park. This is a Great Western Railway service to West Ealing.
It's old. Did you know that? 6 weeks ago. Last yesterday, we tasted the different side of the I'm going to try to include it with the test of the car. Apparently there is a big missing alignment. Ages ago was on the later, so I never really followed that. Take it off.
We are now approaching Castle Bar Park.
We hardly ever stop there, so we're going to try to test that as well. Week commencing the... Fancy an island. You'll get more than you ask for.
You mean the week of special?
Boy, wait, alright?
You mean the week of
No.
March, did you say?
It's half that. So they're going to install week commencing the 9th.
Yeah,
Access is stopping
it's one of those things where,
the 17th, so
like,
week
I
of the
feel
23rd, March, the end of March.
this, I mean, it's just, it has the potential to, like, really revolutionize.
Yes.
So,
You put the issue.
Saying, you know, the reason GWR took this over is
Because we set it to 9.
Yeah,
So this is black events, and we don't need to change it to 10. We don't need to.
where it's like the traffic just
platform will
But we pinched it anyway, so yeah. And then drivers want it anyway for CFDE, so.
the platform was the awkward one there.
I mean, well, they're trying to get rid of diesels, of
Down
course.
the old.
This is a
3? Is it 3?
There's
1, 2, 3, 4.
3's the one with awful stepping. That's the problem. We had to,
It basically
9 just makes the stepping too awful. The 5th, 7's just so awful.
This is Castle Bar Park.
So
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to West Ealing. The next station is Drayton Green.
Yeah, I did ask them before start about what their plans are. It seems like at this moment they don't really have a lot of plans.
No.
With trying to expand it to other, branches and stuff. I think they want to prove that it's reliable on this branch before doing anything else.
Yeah, well, yeah, here you're not too far from the depot and the stuff. So.
Yeah. By the way, I told everyone that the size.
Yeah.
We are now approaching Drayton Green.
Not that many in society.
You're right, it's just basically cold, that's what I'm saying.
3 in the morning.
No, I mean, yeah, to be honest, I mean, 3 in the morning is quite often when I go to bed. So, like, I literally have not
It's one all night.
Yeah, basically, like, yeah, I'm just, going to be like shooting espresso to get me home and then just crash out. The trouble is, I'm like, I've got to be out of the house at like 2:30 on Monday morning. So
Yeah, that's going to be enough.
like, I don't, my body's not, I'm going to have killer migraines.
It's just absurd.
No, that's fine.
That's going to be your cost.
Someone, I know, I just one of the races did actually want to turn up, but they were at Drayton and they showed
drive to
Well, that's the thing.
And now they're now at West Ealing. That's the only other person who's assigned.
Probably a good train them up just for that
Yeah.
little GWR.
It's not stock jam, it's backstory because it's hardware.
Obviously, I've had some videos where it was like, where things
GWR
have
drivers
not gone to plan, but they've done really well.
Yeah. Yeah, they have done well. Apart from the aforementioned, well, the colours that are just misleading.
Well, you know about the twin countries.
Oh yeah. Have you noticed in the middle of the circles, intercity?
You swallow.
Yeah.
It's not really appropriate.
Yeah. I mean, this is along Ealing Underground, so.
So honestly, it's actually like it looks like you're harder than the one in Thames.
Yes.
Just
I mean,
shut to it, doesn't really
not gonna lie, I'd say the sideways if I flip down, they're
We're already at West Ealing. No, we're not at West Ealing.
Drayton.
A huge juxtaposition.
Drayton Green.
Drayton Green.
Wait.
This is Drayton Green.
That'd be a fun
Do
video.
not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
Oh, yes,
This
because
is a
that's
Great Western Railway service to West Ealing. The next
Nice
station
one.
is
Oh, it's fun.
West Ealing.
No, don't stop here for long.
There, it does
Yeah,
make
that label.
Even on
Well,
404s,
no,
we've done that.
it's just trying to pull them to close them.
I've done 404s in Iron Line, they're a lot longer.
That door, I swear to God, that door is literally a guillotine.
Yeah, but the
The
transport
next
rails, they
station
tend to be
is
so long.
West
More than
Ealing.
Iron Line.
Yeah, they take
This
so long
is
to
a
travel
Great
away.
Western Railway service to
Like, you
West
took like 3
Ealing.
seconds for that, like 4 seconds to let it open.
So, what do you think? What are your ideas for this? Is
Got to remember that was also being modified for PSMRT
two
so
words.
as a district line train. So they didn't have that sequence.
You are the refurbishment
So
to my...
when it was district line, it used to just go anywhere.
Yeah, I'll think of something better by the
Just
time,
for that
Yeah.
purpose.
well, it's here early in the day.
Yeah, I'm barely conscious at this point.
I mean, I was literally woke up about 2 AM. I got an hour's sleep this morning.
And I came up with a joke earlier, and I'm not sure if it's a really good joke or a terrible joke. Also, it's entirely contextual of how good it is from the script I've written so far. So we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
I might wake up later today and just think that's ridiculous.
Yeah, probably.
We are now approaching
Oh, I thought we were going to hear it. No, we'll have
West
to wait for the
Ealing.
video.
The
I
final
fear
stop of
so.
our
Well, like
journey.
I say, it
On behalf
basically
of the on-train crew,
so
thank you for
so
travelling with Great Western
I
Railway.
have a bit, because the last time I did one of these videos, I had a load of comments, sort of against battery trains and environmentalism and stuff, which appeared suspiciously quickly, like within 30 seconds of the video going
Sounds
live.
like a bomb.
Yeah, people who've never commented on my videos, who
Not right.
User number names in there.
yeah. So I've got a bit in the provisional script that's kind of like, if you appear to be a bot, I will block you. I'm toying with putting in the line, I will not tolerate this assault on battery.
That's not bad.
I'm looking forward to discovering what your subscribers will be to your battery train.
Yeah, I'm considering this.
Fast charging wheels is a bit clunky, isn't it?
Yeah, I think I've done that one in one of the videos on the tests. I'll figure a thing out.
We shall await.
You are the battery to my unelectrified train line.
Ooh, could do.
If I see that coming up in your video,
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sure he's going to have something.
we got.
Oh, we're in platform 5 now.
Yeah, we're
We're
going
now
to
set.
So toy that to my branch line train.
I have used it. I have used it. The sink is weirdly low down.
When you were
It's a
using
standard
it, did you
PI.
say I declare this toilet open?
It probably wasn't the first.
We've all stood outside a class.
Yes.
I mean, the printer was already.
Yes, in Scotland.
I did use it for a captain, but the inaugural official tinkle.
This is West Ealing, the final stop on our journey. Please have your tickets and travel documents ready, and remember to take all your belongings with you. On behalf of the on-train crew, thank you for travelling with Great Western Railway. We wish you safe travels on your journey.
I just gave you, but is that just like a whole stack of them there?
I don't know.
There are quite a few close ones. There are a few there, yeah. 387. It feels like I've been up so long and yet it's 6:24.
I mean, I have been up, so I've been up since 9 yesterday morning.